We have a good question here. What is the I-824? This is something that's really important that pops up and a lot of people aren't familiar with. When you start an immigration case and say, hey, I want to, for example, do it in the United States. So I want to apply for adjustment of status, a green card in the United States, but you ended up having to leave the United States. Well, you got to have the file transferred overseas. And so for the government to do that, you have to submit Form I-824 to tell them that once this I-130 is approved, send the case out to the embassy for consular processing. Unfortunately, this I-824 costs money and it takes an unknown amount of time. If you look at processing times on USCIS, sometimes it says it takes 10 years to do this. It's kind of ridiculous. It doesn't take 10 years, but sometimes it takes a year or two. So, you really have to plan ahead of time about what you're going to do about your case because you want to avoid at all costs having to do a Form I-824, not only because of the cost, the money, the filing fee for it, but also because, more importantly, the massive delays with using such a form. So I really recommend avoiding that to the extent that you can. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.